Hi everyone, welcome back to Big OGGIE World. Welcome back to Cocktail Corner. Now, Kelly is not very well today, he's in bed, so I know, I really feel like I should put in some sound effects on and like a crowd going, oh, like, maybe I will. So she's not part of this today. But in a way, that also opens some doors to some cocktails that I would probably like and she wouldn't. Now, if there's a noise in the background, I do apologise, but over here, simmering away, is a split pea and ham soup that I'm doing on another video. So I'm multitasking today, so we've got to be fairly quick for today. So we're going to do a Sailor's Comfort. There you go. Because we're using Southern Comfort. Now I'm really keen on Southern Comfort. Ever since I was young, I've liked Southern Comfort. Not really young, but you know, legally aged young. It's got a kind of a slightly apricot-y vibe to it, but herbally. I must admit, I don't know all the ingredients in Southern Comfort, but it has kind of a bourbon type liqueur, I guess you could call it. It's not really going to be Kelly's thing. There is one we are going to make with Kelly when she's better, because it's named after a famous actress, and I thought we need a woman involved. But that will also include some Southern Comfort. I digress. Let's move on because we're going to be very quick here. So, Sailor's Comfort. Get yourself a nice sizable whiskey glass. Nice chunky glass with some ice in it. Get yourself a shaker, again, with ice in it. Now, if I can find my measure, there we go, put some glasses on, like, you know, you have to be accurate with these things. We're going to have 30 mils of Southern Comfort. Always try and be accurate with your measurements, you know, not a proper cocktail if it's not. 30 mils of Southern Comfort. To that, we're going to add 30 mils of Sloe Gin. So we're getting a bit of a fruity thing going on, definitely. As I said, Southern Comfort's got an almost kind of apricot thing. 30 mils of Sloe Gin. This doesn't happen to be Gordon because that's what we've got, but most Sloe Gins will be fine. Oh, dropping things already. We're fine. Now, to that, yeah, so we haven't really used. Hence to shake it. This is lime cordial, as opposed to fresh lime juice. This is more of a sweet drink. So, and quite a lot. 30 mils again. If you think about it, lime cordial is lime juice with lots of sugar in it. Pop that in. Pop these to one side a second. Just had to give my peas a stir. So, to that, just add a little bit of dimension again. Just 3 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Pop the lid on. Give it a shake. Remember, this is more to chill the drink down than water it down, because you've got ice in there which will kind of water down slowly. If you've got those big ice cubes, they're great. They don't water the drink down. They just chill everything. They take forever to melt. Yep, that's cold. So, I'm going to pour this out. Now, if you don't want to use lime cordial, you can use fresh lime. But with that, then you would need a little bit of sugar syrup, okay? So that's most of it. Now, I'm going to go off piste here. Piste, all right? Piste, I don't know, too much today. So normally you would top this up with soda water. You can actually drink it straight like that, which is rather nice too. Most recipes say top up with soda water. Unfortunately, I can't stand soda water, it's horrible. What's the point of soda water? And I know that Kelly doesn't either. So, we're going to add a little bit of lemonade. Alright? You know, forgive me. Shoot the cocktail maker, I don't care. Right? But that is a Sailor's Comfort. So I'm going to take a photograph, we'll give it a taste. Okay, my peas are bubbling very gently. Let's give it a try. Cheers everybody, bottoms up. That's really nice. Obviously the lime cordial really pushes out the sweetness, and the Southern Comfort is quite sweet too. It's almost a Pimm's thing going on here. which I guess is kind of right, because I'm pretty sure Pimm's, you can get a whiskey cup version of Pimm's as well. So, Southern Comfort and gin, Sloe Gin, great combination. Try it with fresh lime juice. If you want it just sharp, try a little bit of sugar syrup in it if you want it sweeter, or just go the easy way with some lime juice cordial. Very good, give it a try. Lovely. We're going to give that to Kelly and then let her try it. I think she'll like it. So, if you like what we do, please subscribe. Okay? Please hit the notification bell. Do give us comments. Tell us what you think about our recipes, about our cocktails. If you've tried anything. Okay? We're just home cooks loving what we do. Okay? And we need to spread the word, get the place bigger. Thank you very much, everybody. We'll see you all again soon. By the way, take a look at the Amazon shop. It's actually called Big Eye Gulf, which is my other channel, but it's got an awful lot of our foodie things on it that we use on the channel. See you all soon, everyone. Bye for now.